T drinking his Gatorade. Oh. Look of ecstasy on face.
Oh, yeah.
Love you, Gatorade.
Got it done?
Look at the tongue.
A little bit left. A little bit. Just a little bit. Here it goes.
That's it?
Is that good?
Indeed. He's ready to go burp. Oh, any more?
Did you put the lid on? You're all done.
No, I want to.
I don't have any more. It's all gone. Don't I get some? Huh? Don't I get some?
No, mine.